Here is this waffle maker, and it is great for family size. As you can see here, when you plug it in, it automatically turns on, and you have a red light and a green light. Green light means it's ready for batter. And then when you open it, that green light will go off, and when my waffles are done, it will light back up green for you. So really nice indicator there. Inside here is your kind of non-stick surface area, and works great. And they do recommend just using some cooking spray on it, just lightly. So we've done that as well. And we're going to pour some batter on there. I like the 4 waffle sizes on there. That's very good. You have your little drain areas right there. And when you shut that, as I said, that goes off to let you know that it's cooking. So I like the color of it. I like the look of it. And, you know, it's not, it's warm up here, but it's supposed to be. Just to give you an idea. The back of it here as well. Just pretty simple waffle maker, but it does a great job, and I love the simple indicator as well. And when I take these out, they do recommend that you use like silicone prongs to get them out instead of fork or metal that will scratch the non-stick. So just keep that in mind, and it should last a long time. So when my waffles are done here, I will show you the final take of them. Here is the other ones that I've done here. I take some pictures and let you see the other ones when they come out as well. So they do a great job, and you can cook 4 at a time, which is super duper. Oh, it's done already. See, the light is off, so I'm gonna probably take them. I'm gonna leave mine just cook a little extra here and let you see that.